Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I have Happy Meal. I'm really excited about this because I know a couple of the things in here. This is from Tina's, Reborns, and more. If you don't know her channel, oh wait, I'm cutting this wrong. We have a link to it in the description, and you might want to go by and take a look at what Tina has. Tina has Reborns, American Girls, Blythe dolls. That's all I remember seeing right now, but she might have more. But Tina does DIYs, and they are so cute. She does villages, like Christmas villages and Halloween villages and such. They are so cute. She made her Blythe dolls. Darren hates it when I do this. He's sure I'm going to cut my hand. She made her Blythe dolls the cutest little dollhouse. A dollhouse for dolls. She's sending me some stuff for a collab that she and I are doing next week. Oh my God, these are so cute. Oh, wow. I am really excited about these items. Oh, these are so cute. We have a collab coming up that we're pretty excited to show you. Oh, wow. There's way more in here than I knew was coming. It says, Marna, I hope you like the dresses that I made. I also made the little doll. I love your channel. Thank you for doing this collab with me. Tina, P.S. I hope you like the little dresses. I thought your dolls needed one that opened, LOL. And then it says something else, and I'm not going to tell you what else it says. Oh my God, I don't know where to start. There's more in here. Oh, look at the dollhouse. Oh my God, that is so stinking cute. Oh, look at this. She made it open, and she gave it carpeting and a second floor. Oh my God, Tina, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Tina was the inspiration of me going to the, well, not going to, but at the train show buying the little house that I did for my Blythe dolls. Oh, I love this. She also handcrafted, aren't these adorable? These little trays. Kind of gives you a hint of what we're going to do along with that, doesn't it? Let's see what's in here. Oh my God, Tina, I am so excited. I can't wait to get to these dresses. This is what I expected. I expected the tray, one tray, and she sent two. And then the one dress, and it looks like she sent three. Oh my God. Look at the baby doll. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, my Blythes are gonna love that. You know what? I'm putting my baby doll inside the dollhouse for right now. Oh, how cute is this? Little bee. Oh. And hamburgers. Let's put those on the tray. How cute is that? There's something else here. Just a minute on it. Let's look in here. Oh, this is fun. Oh, this is, I always say that a Happy Meal is a hug in a box. And by God, they are. It's someone sending you a hug when they send you Happy Meal. Oh my God, is that cute? Oh my God, that is so cute. There is something in here, I believe. Oh, there is. Oh, look at these donuts.
Donuts.
Oh my God, that is so cute. I wonder if Tina made that. I don't know. That looks store-bought, but God, that's cute. Let's see what's in here. Oh, wait. Let's put the donuts on the tray. You know what? I'll do that later. And I don't want to show you everything in this one. Let's see what... Oh, aren't these adorable? That is so stinking cute. Now this I am very excited about. I'll tell you a secret. I saw one of these on her doll and how cute are these dresses? Oh, little turkeys, Thanksgiving. And look, a little stuffed turkey for the dolls to hold. And she put the turkey on both sides. Tina, that is so cute. Look at this craftsmanship. Tina sews by hand. Everything by hand. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Where'd that little bee go? Here it is. Look at this. Oh, isn't that the cutest? Look at that. All sewn by hand. Every bit of it sewn by hand. Does she have Velcro on here? She does. By hand. Tina, thank you. And there's yet another dress, and I'm very excited. I knew this one was coming. Look, it has bicycles on it. Isn't that adorable? I love these little black-eyed Susans. I love that. Tina, thank you. Thank you. My goodness, thank you. I'm very excited about that upcoming collab. Please stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.